Today we are going to display 35 advertisement in different areas in a single video with detail. So it will be very helpful for the persons who are seeking for job. We are in this video 35 advertisements we have taken and we will explain one by one. So please see this video and please do please subscribe this channel so other persons also they can get it, and please circulate this video to different students, staff members, faculties, so and the needy persons. So now let's execute our advertisement one by one. Now this is the first advertisement we are going to see. First is National Institute of Food and Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management, Kundli, a National Institute of National Importance advertisement for contractual position. This is for food technology persons. Now they require first is team leader. Number of position is 1, age 45, 1.75 lakh PM. Very good amount. Second is consultants for preparation of course material DPR for the entire training. That is number of position 1, maximum is 40, 1.10 lakh per PM. Consultants media 1 position, maximum is 40. Then consultants machinery process product development packaging 1 position 40, maximum is 1.10 lakh. Now you have to just apply with online payment of demand draft of rupees 500 in favor of registrar NIFTM as an application fee along with the application. Now we will go, the website for this is niftem.ec.in. You have to send fully filled application with all supporting documents 11 before 11 February 2022. So guys, this is also phone number is also given 013022281085. So you may directly contact this. So you now we will visit this website. We will see this website. Now you can go and see niftm.ac.in. This is the website. Now here you can go and see career. We are going, and here this is an offline apply online for faculty position. This you can go and see. These are the advertisement. This is position for second position is also available. Now you can download here the form. Now you can see the complete detailing what they want: MBA, master degree in food, second position for third master in visual, and for fourth concern master in food technology, food engineering. You can go and see complete this form. Now second, you can go and application form, you can download the application form. Here you can see we are downloading this application form. So this is PMU doc file will be available. So this way you can see how we are opening this file, and you can see this application form is also available. So this is the first ever advertisement, and we are just displaying this complete form NIFTM. So guys, best of luck. Please subscribe this channel, and thanks for visiting this video. Now we will go for our second advertisement. Now this is our second advertisement. This is National Highway. You can see the National Highways Infra Investment Managers. Now the name of post is General Manager Traffic and Toll Revenue. Number of post 1, Deputy General Manager, Deputy General Manager Finance. This is already eligibilities written BTech Civil, ICWA CA with 10 to 15 years, MBA, then Deputy Manager MBA or equivalent ICWA, Executive FNA, graduate with CA Internet and minimum 5 years of experience, Executive FNA, graduate with minimum 5 years of experience. So here you have to send the application by for the name of the position you have to write, and these one positions are available, and you have to email this hr.nhimpl@nhai.org. You have to send also with the email. You have to, in subject line, you have to write application for which position you are applying. So and you have to fill up, you have to send email before 31st January. So guys, best of luck for your this second advertisement. It is generally for BE, BTech, civil persons, ICWA, CA, MBA, and other CA inter. Also banking experience of banking, they can also apply. This is a government. I think this is maybe a government position. National Highway Infra Investment Manager invites for the foreign project corporate office Delhi. So you can go and see this. The best of luck. Please subscribe this channel. Now guys, this is the third advertisement we are going to display, and it is you can see the advertisement, Pramod Ram Ujagar Tiwari Second Institute of Management, which is at Maharashtra, Kalyan is Thane. Now application for the post of the following academic year, which is first is director, one open position, second is professor, one open position, associate professor, three assistant professor, five librarian, one. So this you can see this advertisement, and you have to apply to the secretary Pramod Ram Ujagar Tiwari, Saket Institute of Management, Saket Vidya Marg, Chinpada Road, Kathemani, Kalyan East, Thane, Maharashtra. Now this website is today it has been displayed, and it has only validity for 15 days, next 15 days. So just guys go and see this advertisement to and apply for this. If you are eligible, you can go to this website and you can see and you can apply. And here they have written uh, candidate also having knowledge of Marathi will be preferred. The education, qualification, experience, pay scale for the post of director, professor, assistant professor, library prescribed by the University of Bombay, AICT and DTE, to go and apply for it. Now guys, we are going for the fourth advertisement, that is Institute of Hotel Management. Now they invite application for lecturer come instructor, assistant lecturer come then assistant instruction. For further details, they have the ihmhyd.org. So we will go and see the website where it has been written, and we will see how we can apply. This is in Hyderabad. Now we have written here ihmhy.org. This is Institute of Management Catering Technology. You can go and see this website. It has been written here about IHM Hyderabad. You can see the news, the circulars coming. You can go and find. This is the contact address is also given, and here you can go and find the gallery, contact gallery, then ECL courses, placement, academics. You can go and see this website before applying, so you will get your opinion. And this is team is also available here. It has written in this is the eligible for the post of lecturer invite application. You can go and see the detail eligibility criteria also given here, an application form. So you will go and see eligibility criteria. First of all, we will see eligibility criteria, and second we will see the form. So it is downloading this eligibility criteria. Now you can see for lecturer one is you are uh, level 44,000 44,900 rupees. Then second is you are two position, OBC one position 35,000, SSL qualification also written. postgraduate in hospitality. Okay, this is full-time degree course. Then PhD and SSL experience, at least 5 years of experience. So you can go and see this uh, eligibility criteria for this post. You can visit this website and you can download it. Second, you can go and see the application form. Here we are downloading the application form. Now this is the application form which we can download from the website instead of hotel management catering, and you can go and visit this. You can fill up this form here 12, 13, 17, 1 to 17 instructions given. You have to fill this, and lastly you have to also uh, attach the documents. So this is generally for the management persons, management catering technology, and apply in nutrition. So you can go and apply. Best of luck, guys. Go and subscribe this channel, and please send this video to the needy persons, those who are facing problems in this corona. Now this is the fourth advertisement we are going to display. This is for school, Bhavan School, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan School, which is at Vadodara, affiliated to CBSE school. Affiliation number is also given. Now here they require PGT for physics, biology, English, post graduation, TGT, PRT, then coordinator, counselor, special educator, PT female also, dance teacher, music teacher also they require. So just go and see this ad for the post of current 10 years of experience and post 3 years of relevant experience for other posts required. This the only applicant will be accepted. So they have also given a career link. So we will go and see where is the career link. So this is website is www.bhavanbaroda.org. So we will see that website. Now guys, we have typed this bhavansbaroda.org. So you can go and see this career. You can go in this career, and by pressing the career you can go, and this is forms available and you have to apply online. This is a form. We will go and see the form how we can apply. Now this is you have to just now this is the form available. You can go and see. You have to just write email ID, photograph, application. You can here choose which app for application, PGT, DGT, primary teacher. These are the different positions available. So you go and subject, you just type first name, second name, last name, gender, date of birth, age, birthplace, married status, address, mobile number, and you have to just press next. Then it will. So guys, best of luck for those who are teachers, those who are working, those who want to change the job in Bhavans. They are inviting applications for you. The best of luck for all the teachers. Now guys, this is the fifth advertisement. Pandit Dindayal Energy University. They are hiring admission counselor, that is response team, content writer, public relation officer, and their last date of application is 20th January. So you go and visit in pdpu.ac.in. So you will get this information about this job. So we will try to visit that. Now you can see we have just write pdpu.ac.in. This is the website available. Director General of Hydrogrammy PDPU, their NAC accreditation with 3.39 out of 4 international students. You can go and see. This is download, then internet MBA. This is a good university, excellent university having this. You can go and see campus, virtual faculty, aluminium. So this type of, and they have written here in jobs.html. So we will go there and find how we can go and search the job. Now just we have written pdpu.ac.in jobs.html. So you can see the current vacancy for all the three. For PR content writer, you can apply here directly on this website. These are the options available. You can see the post of junior research fellow, research associate, call for support engineer. For the post of, you can see here for the post of computer engineering and ICT. This is also written. So you can go and just check. We will go and see one apply form is this or this you have to fulfill. You have to go next by next. So best of luck for those who are interested in this job. Now this is the next job available, which is Gujarat Nabda Valley Fertilizer and Chemical, India's leading company with ambitious expansion plan. They have for different types of jobs are available. First is additional general manager finance on contract, chief manager finance on contract. These are the eligibility. Senior manager finance on contract, senior manager on contract, account officers. This is good. CA or CMS for freshers can also up to 3 years they can also apply. Then account officers. So you have to go in gnfc.in within 10 days. We have to go and apply. So we will visit this website and we will see whether it is available or not. So we will go to this website. Now guys, you can go and see gnfc.in. Here we have to go in careers.html. Here you can go and see this type of jobs are available or not. Yeah, you can see these are the jobs available. So these are the jobs available with the code number also. You can this one by license officer, senior license officer. You can go and see maximum 45 years of age. You can see the eligibility criteria also they have written. You can go and apply now button. You can see such type of form is also available. So this is very good facility available at in GNFC. You can go for port manager. You can go and see the eligibility given first time MBA with first class in import export. Then these are the eligibility. Then assistant deputy manager you can go and see. Okay, additional general manager. The senior posts are also available. And last is this chief manager. You can go and see. Then here senior manager, account officer. You can go and see the account officer. MCOM, even MCOM's qualified person with first class, they can also apply. So maximum age is 45 years and experience 20 to 23 years. So guys, best of luck for this GNFC job. Gujarat Nabda Valley Fertilizers and Chemical Limited. The next advertisement is Gujarat Metro Rail Corporation GMRC Limited. This is a government of India and government of Gujarat. So they requires a qualified and experienced candidate for various posts in civil system, electrical, rolling stock and operation and maintenance. So you have to just go to the website gujaratmetrorail.com and apply online. So guys, ready to go, we will visit this website and we will see how we can apply for this job. Now guys, this is the website gujatrailmetro.com. Here you can go and see. We have to go for carriers. Here you can go and see the carriers. These are the GMRC. They need such type of persons faculty for this position. So we will go. You can just go and see different types of posts are available. 12/1, this is the advertisement date also given. Manager come apply online posts. These are the different types of posts available. You can go and see 20-35 posts are available. Then 4 posts. You can see different types of posts. Recruitment notification, personal non-executive post is also available. You can go and see there are 10 plus 35, 45 posts plus 4, 49 posts available. So guys, go and apply for this. In this Corona call, it will be very helpful for those who are in Ahmedabad or those who are in Gujarat, they can apply immediately, go and apply. And other parts of country, if they are eligible, they can also apply for this senior post also. Just you have to just click here for recruitment, or click here and apply online. You can just go and apply. This is the apply online form is available. You can go and see, and you have to submit here, apply now. So best of luck for this, and you can go here for the detailed advertisement. Also they have given here, click here. So we will see what happened. So this is the pay scale also given 80,000 to 22,000. B.Tech civil engineer for civil position, manager civil position, metro system position, contractual post, B.Tech electronics. You can go and see different types of jobs are available. General manager, then general pay scale, eligibility. You can go and see different types of those. We are also not aware of this type of advertisement, so we have generated this group. So please pass on this video to every citizen of India so they can take maximum advantage. You will also get benefited in corona card. If somebody will get job, it will be helpful to India and also for us also. Unemployment will decrease and employment will increase. So this is our duty. So please see and send this type of jobs to other. Best of luck. Please subscribe this channel. Now guys, this is the next job, which is Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizer and Chemical, GNFC, pot manager, senior pot manager. And this is two jobs which are part of the, already we have visited this, so you can go and see gnfc.career. So this is also a different types of job, and it is government Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizers. So you can go and with eligibility is MBA with first class. So please go and apply for this job. Now here the next job is you can go and see creating an enriching space and happy space when in Bahaja Group, Oman. So you can go and see biodata. You have to mail in info@hamlaiindustries.com. Now here they require area sales manager, business development executive, internal sales representative. So guys, go and apply. Those who are eligible, they can go. Just visit humlaiindustry.com. This is the next job available in Bahaja Group. Now this is the job where we have just gone. This is the job processing engineer, professor, mechanical engineer, electrical engineer. This is we have divided into three parts. So this is the first part where it they require, but this type of uh, positions are available. So we will see the second part also here. This is the second part where we have to apply construction head office, construction contract manager, information technology management, finance, HR. So you have to apply here. This is legal persons also. They want project secretary also. They want, and this is the third part where we have to apply. So here you have to apply in the Sen Group Industry Solution Indian Private Limited. Head office house LBS Mar Vikhroli, West Bombay, and the advertisement has been given tkisiindia.hiring at the ssngroup.com. So you can go and apply. We will see this website, and shortlist candidate will be invited for interview. So different types of jobs are available. You can see three different types. So three pages we have divided for this particular job. So we will see this website. Now this is the advertisement. This is the sign group engineering. This is the website. This is you can see here. This is in Dutch. You can go and see in English. We have to write in English. So this you can go and see the career option. Here we have to go and see the career option. This is jobs. You can go and see in career the jobs related, different types of jobs which are related, not regarding current situation, pandemic, but you have to today this is the jobs available. So just guys, you can see the senior level jobs are available in Germany. Here the jobs are available. You can go and see different types of jobs are available. It is today 13th 1 2022 times of India. You just go and visit times and complete information has been given there. So best of luck for this. You can go and visit and you can apply for the job. You can see this diverse technology, diverse people, rich value, agile, innovative experience, the future. So they require. Now, guys, we are going for the next advertisement, that is SL Soul Engineering College, Vivekanand Sarani, Kanyapur, Asansol. Now they required first is principal, professor, associate professor in the department of ECE and CSE, computer science engineering, electronics, electrical engineering, ECE and communication. Now training and placement officer also they require. Base location Kolkata. Qualification they have written. You have to just go. You have to just send the application. You have to just send your resume, testimony, PAN and Aadhaar card in aec.recruitment.kol@gmail.com within 15 days. And where you have to send it is you have to send in Chatterjee International Center, 18th floor, flat 738 JL Nehru Road, Kolkata. So guys, best of luck, and this is the website also they have given aecwb.edu.in. We will visit that website. Now we have written this website name, that is aecwb.edu, and you can see this website is just we have to go and this is the SNL Engineering College, very good website, beautiful website they have designed. And we can go here where jobs and you have to just go. This is the persons available, visitor counter, then training placement, everybody you can go and see this home application, academics, campus, training placement. You have to just email. This is news and notification. You can see news and notification. You can go and see the other things also. To best of luck, just go and send your resume to the email address. This is placement opportunities also available here. You can go and see. The best of luck for this college. Now the next is it Bharat Electronics Limited. You know it is a very premium Navratna Defense Electron companies requires 12 training project engineers for a period of 2 years and 7 project engineers for a period of 3 years to be posted Kochi, Kerala. You know this BE they require 12 positions. BE BTech in electronics, communication, telecommunication, electrical, computer science, information science, training then project B BTech in electronics and communication. So this is the website you have to go. They have also slogan हर एक काम देश के नाम. This is very good slogan they have written. So we will go and visit this website www.bell-india.in. Now we have visited in bell-india.in. You can see the website Bharat Electronics Limited. You have to just go in this career part, recruitment notification, advertisement. You have to just go and see. Okay, to just go and see this And these are the advertisement they have already posted here. Last date to apply February to trainee engineer project and January 27. You have to just go and here app detail you can go and see. We will see these also. Recruitment trainee, recruitment staff nurse also here, recruitment visiting medical officer also, then not selection for the post of director research and development also they require. So we can see this one, we will see this also. Now here you can go and see Bharat and electronics. You see minimum to central pay scale also given. This is a website which is very important. Director Research and Development. You can go and visit this. Job Bricks R&D. They have minimum 45 years of age. Maximum and minimum 45 years is on the date of vacancy. Age on the call occurrence of date. 2 years they have given. And you can just qualification is the applicant engineering graduate in engineering from university good, and this is a space scale given. Latest it to very big scale, 1 lakh 44 200 to 2 lakhs 18. This is the advertise available for this post of research director research R&D. You can so different also, you can go and see this also here. You can go and see this trainee project also. Oh, so this is a training project B Tech. Complete information is given in this website. Just go and apply for best of luck to all the students. Training engineer upper age is 28 and upper age limit is for project engineer 32 years. So just go and apply. Please go and you have to appear for the entrance examination. Everything completely details have been given here. Just go and apply and be a part of the employment. So please go and apply and please send to the other students of BE Tech. So they will also get this opportunity to apply. Best of luck. Please subscribe this channel. Now again we have received one application from Bank of Baroda recruitment notice done. This is a new application. Yeah, before last week also they have agriculture officer, but this is the new recruitment notice. Cash management department they required these two posts: assistant vice president, assistant vice president, product manager, relationship manager, then receivable management department. You see the different types of posts. Total 50 vacancies are available in assistant vice president. Oh, this is contractual of 5 years. Then deputy vice president, regional MIS manager also they require for complaint manager one, process manager, assistant vice area receiver manager also. You can go and see this website bankofbaroda.in. You have to apply before 1/02/2022. Last date of application is. So, guys, this is a very good opportunity given by Bank of Baroda. You see the 50 vacancies, then 311, 321 vacancies, 3331, 48 vacancies, reasonable receiver manager. Oh, this is a very good opportunity. And again, area receiver manager 50 vacancies. Around, I think, around 200 vacancies are there. 50, 50, 50. Around 200 or more vacancies are available. So guys, we will go to this website and we will see how we can again see bankofbaroda.in, and we will go for the career page. We will see how you can apply. So we will see once this is a website available bankofbaroda.in. Here you have to go and find where is the career. I think last time it was in here. It is a career return. Oh, you just go and see this website and you will get detailed advertisement of each and every careers, each and every job related. We will again go into career. The career, the current careers available, current opportunity. We will go here. New, no more. You can see here recruitment for various positions: cash management, fixed term recovery, various more receivable, fixed fixed term management, recruitment of head. You can go and see this today's advertisement also. You can go and see. You can here write view all the different types of advertisement you can see. So there are many jobs available in Bank of Baroda. So just go and see one by one. We will see only one. You can go and see this website. You have to just like this position, vice president, or just location. You can go name, mobile number, and just get OTP. That you can easily go and apply for this job. The best of luck for the Bank of Baroda. More than 200 jobs are available in today times of India 2022. It is my request to just forward this video to every person because different types of areas are available: MBA, IT, then BCom. Everybody can apply. You can go and see the detail of each job. So please send to other persons so they will also be benefited. The best of luck for this. Now, guys, we are going to see Tata Memorial Center, a grant-in-aid institute under Department of Atomic Energy. Full-time positions available. You can go and visit the website tmc.gov.in before 31/22. Medical post, non-medical posts are also available. Homi Bapha Cancer Hospital, Mahatma Pandit Madan Mohan Malavi Center, Varanasi. Last date for online application. This we will visit this website and we will see different types how you can apply and how you can get the job. Now, guys, we have visited in tmc.gov.in. You can see we will go in careers, then we will find whether this job is available or not. Now you can see advertise number 0 to 2022. Today's advertisement. You can see the advertisement ended 17/1. Then walk-in interview is also available. You can go and see different types of jobs. We have gone for only one, but here different types of jobs are available. So just go and see uh, invites for Indian National Administrative Counseling, then walk-in interview also TMC for Indian for this is TMC full. You can see this also because this job we have already this has been displayed, so we will see this. You can go and see how you can apply. You see chief security of a medical scientific pharmacy clinical psychologist. Different types of jobs are available with the different pay scale. So guys, here not only one job is available, you can see different types of job available. Last date is 31/12, 18/1, 13/1, 31 on different types of jobs with a date also written. So you can go and see senior residence or also job. Walk-in interview is available. IRB Administrator Council also available. Then Computer Authority walk-in interview for this cancer hospital is also available. You can go and see different types of job available and with description they have written. It is in this Corona call. It is very useful for those who are not getting. So they should visit tmc.gov.in and they should try for this. And those who are in Bombay, it, they will be more benefited. You can see the address is Tata Memorial Hospital. This is the address and email address and phone number is given. The best of luck for all the candidates. Please subscribe this channel. Now guys, this is the next advertisement. We can see Dayanand Sagar University. They have invite application for the Institute of Medical Education Research. This is general medicine, radiology, different positions are available. And super specialty department also they require persons for that. Cardiology, neurology, medical gastrology, CTVC. At this time, in this, we have received medical officers, and this time, medical officers are also great in demand. And this qualification is given faculty and accommodation also available. So we will go and see the website. You have to just email hr.cdsimer@dsu.edu.in, or you can directly email to vc_ceo@dayanandsagar.edu. So we will see this both websites. So guys, you can easily available. Now we have visited this website dayanandsagar.edu. We can go and see. You can see here blinking carriers. You can go and see these institutions. Engineering DSC, Engineering DSTM, Dental Science, Art Science, Commerce. Okay, different types of jobs are available. You can go and see career. You will see this career option. You can go and see this website. Oh, they are also display in this website, and you can go and see. Oh, MBA, Dayanand Sagar Institute also, PhD, MBA, MCom, MCA, Dayanand Sagar Institute, Bangalore also, good BCA, BA, assistant program. So you know the College of Arts, Science and Commerce is also available. Engineering also available. You can go and see this. Then Dayanand Sagar Academy of Technology and Management also available. Physical Education Director they require also in engineering college MCA, chemistry also, R&D experience they require, then chemistry, BSc, BCA also they require. College of Architect, Engineering persons all they require. So you can go and see. We have just gone for one application, but here three, four application we have. So it is a benefit. You can go and apply now. Just go and apply. This is information, computer science, engineering, computer and design, information science, engineering. As per so this is good advertisement. You have to just go and see apply now. You can just go and see. You have to apply like this. Dayanandsagar.edu. You have to just go and you have to just write and just upload your resume. Very good university. Can go and apply, and here you have to just submit. So I think it is very good university, and you have to just go the position department. You will get such type of department, chemistry, engineering, then chemical engineering also is available. Civil engineering, electro, the post master in computer application also available. You can go and see positions, teaching, non-teaching designation is also available. You can go and see dean, director, principal. Different types of positions are available. You can go and see, and you can upload your resume. You can also send the resume to here also in within the 7 days of this application. So just you send the resume, the Anand Sagar Institution. Best of luck. Please subscribe this, and this is very good advertisement. Thus I will also save this for general purpose. Good advertisement. Now guys, we are going to the next advertisement, that is Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur. They have just requires online application from Indian National PI OCA for various faculty positions. So you just go and apply iitkgp.ac.in. So and the last date of application is 31/01/2022. So we will visit this website and we will see how we can apply here the iitkgp.ac.in. Now you can see we have just visited iitkgp.ac.in. Now they require, this is the website which they have designed, and this is news prevention all events. You can go and see different types of links are available. Where here you can get faculty openings are there. So we will go and see the faculty openings. Here you will see, oh, advertisement for various position from 1/1/2000. So we will just go and see mm, for associate professor, assistant professor also. This is good. We can go and see these are 41 application, but this we have to we just first three applications are useful for us for professor and dean 1711, then this associate professor and professor. So we will see and first download this website and this advertisement. Okay, this is the Institute of Technology Kharagpur. You can see professor, associate professor. Oh, just go and guys, just go and apply for this. It is best opportunity in Corona Kal. You can see mechanical. You just go and see. Complete website is available. Then download this advertisement. Here we can see this first website advertisement. Oh, Faculty of Engineering, Bioscience, Department of Bioscience, Electric Computer Science, then Chemical Science is also Architect, Faculty of Science, Physics, Chemistry, oh, Faculty of Human, so Faculty of Interdiscipline, School of Law is also available. So these are the minimum they have required professor 10 years of experience, then associate professor 6 years of experience, assistant of 3 years. You can see the band 2 lakhs 13,000 rupees gross element, gross emoluments. So total a professor person minimum they get 2 lakhs 13,300 137 rupees. So guys, this is a very good opportunities for the professor, associate professor, and we will visit here. This is for the uh, post of associate professor. They have written, and this is for the post of faculty also. You can go and see the post. Associate professor, they are getting 1,87,000 rupees. Guys, this is very good opportunity. Just go and visit to Indian Institute of Technical Kharagpur. The jobs are available, but we are not able to find the jobs. They have just given one job, and we are here getting four jobs. You can go and see this professor and dean job also is available for senior persons. You can go and see. Oh, 2 lakhs rupees approximately they are getting professor and dean for law. And this okay. So guys, go and apply. Good for you. Best of luck. Subscribe this channel. Thanks. So it is. We are very much thankful to Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur for displaying such type of positions, so every citizen of India can get this information, and those who are eligible candidates they can apply for the job, so our employment will increase. Thanks, sir. Now guys, this is the next job. This is Punjab National Bank. Now here HRM division, corporate office, Dwarka, New Delhi, notification 6 specialized executive positions on contractual basis. available, and you have to go for Times of India SN 2212. The last date mentioned for receipt of application has been extended up to 10/02 2022. So for that you have to visit Punjab National Bank website and you have to go and see this. They have six specialized executive positions. So just we will go and see whether it is available or not. Guys, we have visited to Punjab National Bank website. You can go and see this is a different internet and this e-services investment and about us. They have just written NRI investor. So we will go and see the Punjab National Bank advertisement where it is. We have to find first of all the advertisement where it is. We can go and see public notices recruitment. So this is the recruitment. So this is submit of highly specialized position contract where this job is we are finding this job. So we will go and see click HMD. So this job is available and they have already applied. So now the last date has been extended to 17/12/2021. Now it has been gone to 10/02/2022. So they have put on their official website also. For that purpose, they have also given this website, and we can go and see how you can join. This advertisement in English application form is also available. This advertisement in English we will see. Oh, so you can go and see different types of chief risk officer, chief compliance officer, chief finance, and chief technical officer is also available. Chief Information Security Officer is also Chief Digital Officer. You just go and see minimum 45 years age and maximum 55 years age. Good, good. Then Chief Compliance minimum 45 years and maximum 45. Chief Financial minimum 45. Chief Technical minimum 45 maximum. Engineering graduate or MCA or equivalent to be in the area of, you can see here 15 years of experience relevant area. Chief Technology Officer CTO. Then you can see this Chief Information Security Officer. So BTech Master Degree Full-Time Master Bachelor Degree Engineer. Then Electronics Telecommunication, Computer Science, Electronics and Electrical and Information Technology, Electronics and Communication Masters or Masters in Computer Application. Overall experience 20 years, people bank with just 15 years of. So this is also a good job. Guys, just go and apply for Chief Digital Officer. Also, you can go and apply minimum 45-55 years. So this is good for the MCA students. So this advertisement is very useful for the computer persons. Rules and responsibility also given. You can go and check those who are in bank. They need bank experience. The experience similar role planning and executive IT company engaged in the providing of digital role. Here you can go procedure will be screening and shortlist will be done, then they will call for personal interview. pnbindia.in, you have to just go here. Proof of date of certificate and education qualification relevant certificate, and you have to just apply for this only. Or application for the post permanent can be submitted to general manager. So that they have extended due to this corona call. So to go and take maximum advantage for this Punjab National Bank. It is a very good bank, reputed bank, and the job is also secure. The guys go and apply for this job. And go and see how you can. An application form is also available. Advertisement application form, just download. We have seen this.